Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my page. This is Jessica, also known as Curly Vegan Jess. If it's your first time tuning in, thanks for watching. Today we'll be making a stir fry vegan option. I usually use whatever's in my vegetable drawer in my refrigerator, which makes it easy. It's never the same twice. So pretty much just use all the options that you have in your kitchen and then add your seasonings. This is pretty easy. It says microwavable, but I really try to stay away from the microwave. I soften up the noodles on the stove, so let's get started. Before adding your noodles, you want to cook all your vegetables and everything beforehand in the same pot. So grab your wok, add your olive oil, garlic, and onion, and cook to your liking. Once the garlic and onion have cooked down to your liking, you're going to add celery or carrots, or like I said, anything that you have in your refrigerator that you want to add or need to use right away. Then I also had some cabbage. Cabbage is kind of like spinach. You might look like a lot, but it is going to cook down. I also had some broccoli, so I threw in a handful of broccoli. And then once you have it all in the wok, you're going to mix it all together and cook it down. Add your spices. So I added a liquid AMINOS, which is a vegan version of soy sauce. Also, all-purpose seasoning, which is good pretty much on everything, all-purpose. I also added a little bit of salt, pink Himalayan salt. I usually prefer. It has a little kick. As I said before, I boiled my noodles on the stove. This recipe requires water, so I used the boiled pasta water, which is always better than just plain cold water. You're gonna mix and cook your vegetables together until they're steamed and cooked down. So the first step is to cook your vegetables. Once all your vegetables are cooked and seasoned, then you want to add your noodles that come pre-packaged, but you want to boil them. And like I said, I boiled them over the stove. You add the 1 seasoning pack of teriyaki that comes with the package. And then you're going to add your half a cup of pasta water. So the water has some flavor and it's a little bit thicker because of the pasta. That's a good trick when cooking. Then you just want to cook and simmer until most of the water is cooked down. So pretty much this is an easy recipe. Just throw in your vegetables, add your seasoning, add your boiled noodles in your seasoning packet, and then it's ready to eat. Pretty much can make in under 10 minutes, and it's a filling meal and healthy. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.